Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to a flip through. Yes, it has been a hot minute since I have done a flip through, but I need to get through 2019 flip throughs for y'all because we are, we're in February now. Probably closing off. I don't even know when this video airs. It might even be March. I don't know. But anyway, this is my creative daily journal for November and December of 2019. It is made out of an altered composition book. If you want to learn how to make your own, visit the playlist that I have in the description box, and it has all of the directions from beginning to end how I made this. Okay, so let's just get started. Now, in the month of November, last year was like super busy, super crazy, and not a great year. So I got all of my journaling done up to this point, and then some of the beginning of November I did. I had decorated a lot of pages, but never did the journaling. So we're just gonna go through it, whether I did journaling or didn't do journaling, whatever. So it just is what it is. So here is a North Carolina postcard that my daughter brought me because, of course, she knows that I love, Van Gogh and whatnot. And she had gone at the beginning of this month up to her girlfriend's wedding, which, interestingly enough, they got married on November 2nd, which is my husband's and my anniversary. And there we are. It was our 28th wedding anniversary. So that was us 28 years ago on our wedding day. And then this is something my husband taught me a very long time ago. Yep, fun. Okay, anyway, let's get on with the November 1st here. Okay. Now, I'm going to have to go back through this. This book here, too, is like a series of tucks, tags, and pockets. That's what I've been into lately. So, yep, lazy morning. Okay, back here is when we were finally getting around to taking all the furniture from my old craft room at the other end of the house to where I am right now, which is my son's old room. What a workout. Yeah. And if you haven't seen the final, like reveal or whatever of my craft room, I'll put that in the links below so that you can watch it if you would like to know or see where I work. Yep. I think he set it up. Yeah, he put my stuff in a U shape, I think, my table and all that. And I'm loving it, by the way. So, and then the old room that used to have my, my craft room in, it's kind of like a library, like now the dog's crate is out there, my printer's still out there, and then we have like a little love seat out there, and I left the bookshelves that were there out there. So anyway, yes. Then this right here, this is actually a thank you card that I found up in the attic of my house. We had boxes and boxes of them, so I just wrote a little something, that I've just been so blessed to be married to the love of my life, and yada yada, mushy, blah, blah, blah. Just how thankful I am. This is a verse from 1 Corinthians 13. And this is on a magazine page. And then, yeah. Okay, so the pups spent their first night in their crate in the new room. So, yeah. Oh, and then on this day, I happened to be in a flare. So, yeah, we didn't really do anything for our anniversary. My dad called to wish us a happy anniversary. This is a card from my beautiful grandmother on our anniversary. Yeah, I don't even think we exchanged cards this year. Oh, I wasn't feeling well. Anyway, so the good, the bad, and the ugly we've been through together. Okay, let's move on, Elizabeth. Okay, so here's a picture of what my craft room looks like now, and I love it so much. So there's that. And then here's just a tag that I made out of washi tape, and this was actually a piece of the background. Here's a piece of drop paper that I found when we were moving rooms, and so I lettered this, "Be thankful always." This is from a magazine. And then let's see what's on here. So Okay, Big Handsome spent much of the day hanging all the stuff in my new room. Yeah. So he hung a bunch of stuff on my wall. And yeah, I'm sad that my sunshine had moved out. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm really enjoying his old room, I have to say. Okay. And then this is a little bag that my daughter brought home with the, here's another postcard from when she was away. And yeah, these are pieces of this notepad, right? So I have this notepad, it's actually longer. It's this long, that attaches to it. And so I just cut that off, fussy cut the top of another piece and, you know, put some scraps down and made it into a little collage. And Sunshine came over and we all went to breakfast at the Chuck Wagon. Oh yeah, I remember this day. We were just out and about and Sunshine ordered chocolate milk, which I mean, at first I thought was odd. I'm like, why? But then he said it had better come in the boot. Yeah, he remembers when he was younger, we used to take him there and they have these like mugs that are glass boots, like a cowboy boot. And that's the whole reason he ordered the chocolate milk. And then of course he had to snap a picture of it and share it with his sister who was at work. And yeah, she wasn't happy. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he was just razzing her about that. He was out and she was at work. So yeah, so we went out looking at Hobby Lobby for some office furniture for my son. But we didn't find anything, but he found some artwork for his place. At this point in time, yeah, he was moved in to his house, to his new house. And so slow morning, caught up a bit on the computer, uploaded my ramble session. This must have been a Monday. Was it a Monday? Yes, it was a Monday. Yeah, Big Handsome was in a lot of pain this morning, but oh, and then we went to Home Goods to look for furniture for Sunshine, and I'm not sure if we found anything. We might have. Oh yeah, I remember this day. Yep. He found a bookshelf and a desk for his office. I found a new rug for my craft room, but it took like 30 minutes to... Oh, okay. It took 30 minutes to get through the line. Holy cow, now I remember. Yes. Oh my gosh. The line was outrageous. I don't know what people were doing. I don't know why everybody was there on a Monday afternoon. I have no clue. But then it took forever to try. It was like playing Tetris, trying to get all this furniture in the back of my car. Well, I have like a truck or Suburban at any rate. I have an SUV. And so, but oh my gosh, yeah, it was like Tetris trying to get everything in. Okay, this is just a magazine clipping that I got. I believe it came from Pier 1. Probably, yep, Pier 1. And, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this month too, my sweet friend sent Allison from AJ's Inspired Life, and I'll leave her link below. She sent me a whole collection of these beautiful stamps that she does for her dates, and I love them so much. And I also order, every month I order Brooks date stickers, so I just combine them, right? So they came out super cute, and yeah, I love them. They're so cute. So here's just a little tag that I made with a pretty fall scene. And then this is like a printable that I just got offline from somewhere. So I worked in my room most of the day catching up in my August book, okay? Hello. We're in November, and at this point in time, I was still catching up in my August book. I mean, last year, 2019 was not a great year, but anyway, so was doing that, decided to do a bit of mixed media. Let's see. Oh, okay, because I had a few pages where I didn't have notes, so I decided to do a bit of mixed media. Yeah. Oh, and then my husband made my pen holders, some more pen holders. He made pink pen holders. I don't know if you remember from other flips or my room tour or whatever. Yeah, he made me a set of like seafoam green pen holders out of PVC pipe, and also some pink ones, which now that I'm looking might be dusty. Anyway, I will put the link below to Karen Campbell's video on the pen holders made out of PVC pipe. So yeah. Oh, and we were watching, let me see. This was a Tuesday, so my daughter's boyfriend was over. I don't know if my son was over or not. but we were watching a show called The Devil Next Door about an alleged Nazi war criminal. So yeah, so that was that. And then on this day here, I just tore a piece of scrapbook paper. These are embellishments I had gotten in Happy Mail, Allison's sweet little date, and Brooke's sweet little stamp. And then again, from Pier 1, I hope it's not too glary. Yeah, isn't that a beautiful fall scene? And then I just put a few fibers up at the top and stapled those on, and then glued a piece of my dyed paper onto the back and wrote my journaling. Yeah. So woke up to big handsome waking beauty queen up for work about 3 times. Yeah, that's always fun. That's always fun. Then I heard the shower going, and then I heard her podcast, and oh my gosh. Yeah. So anyway. Okay, so this day, Big Handsome was up and out early to pick Sunshine up for his oncologist appointment. I don't think I went to this one. I'm really not sure why. I'm not sure if I was in a flare and I still wasn't feeling well or what. But if you didn't know, my son has cancer, and so yeah, we have regular oncology appointments and regular blood work and scans and all that. So at this point in time, his tumor markers had gone up a bit, and that's not good, that's bad. So he had blood drawn at the office, and the doctor's going to call Friday to let us know what the numbers are. If they, at this point in time, if the numbers had gone up again, my son would have had to begin chemotherapy immediately. So otherwise he has an appointment in December. Yeah. His scan was all clear, so that was good. Oh yeah, and then Big Handsome called me on the way home when he dropped Sunshine off. He was quite emotional, I mean, obviously, so, yeah. And then later on, I watched Joshua Alexander's latest video on the chicken coop, and that was fun. I'll put his link below. I really enjoy his videos. Yeah. And then Roxanne thought well to christen my brand new rug in my craft room, so, yeah. Okay, so here we go. This is you know what? This is the sweet little note that I got from Allison when she sent me the date stamps. So it was so sweet of her. So slept until 8, came out to find Big Handsome in pain on the couch. ER roulette, here we go again. Okay, at this point, my husband, on my husband's health saga, he had already had his gallbladder out. So, yeah, he was still dealing with that, and the pain from that and all of that mess. So anyway, on this day, we actually got a call from the oncologist himself, and Sunshine's numbers were the same. So that was great news. His tumor markers hadn't gone up, so no chemo for now. So yeah, it's just like a waiting game with this, I swear. So, and again, if you didn't know, my son was diagnosed back in the summer of 2019. So to this day, obviously, I mean, he'll be dealing with this for years to come. And, we have regular scans, blood work, oncology appointments. It's just part of our life right now. But he did text us, he passed his boards at work, so he is now qualified as a turbine operator, which is really cool. Yeah, and he gets a raise too. Yeah, I'm so proud of that boy. Yeah, he's a special kid. And he's doing great. So, on this date, you know what I got when I, why is this not going in here? Hello. Okay, when I put this page up on wherever I put it, probably when I posted it to one of the groups that I belong to, everyone said, oh, that's so beautiful, and it is so beautiful, and how did I do it? I did not do it. It's from, Roxanne, stop digging. It's actually from Katie something.com. Katie, PERTIET.com. And I got it off of Pinterest. So that's where that came from. This was, from Johni. She has junk journal shop. So I'll link her below. And I just thought this was really funny. It's like, if you can read this, you're smart. I don't know. It was funny. So I just put it on a tag. Seems like I had a good sleep, though weird dreams. So Big Handsome went out to run errands. I stayed home and, oh, I washed the dogs this time. Yeah. Poor Jack and his skin condition. Yeah. Big Handsome brought home some flowers for me. He's so sweet that way. And I started cleaning some grout. Yep. And then we watched TV and relaxed. Okay. So, you know what? I think I'm just going to stop here. And then the next video is probably going to be a fairly quick one, because after this section of my book, I really haven't added too much more in the way of journaling. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. Sorry it has taken so long for me to get these flip throughs up. But I'll continue on my way, and I hope you enjoy them. Thank you for sharing your time with me, and have a great rest of your day, a wonderful week, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.